Look at the bench. We have it at a slight decline. Lift this part up a little because you're going to get on there and I want it to support you so you don't fly off this bench. If in your routines it says use your right arm, you're going to put the dumbbell on your right hand and get on the bench with the left knee first. So we're using his right arm to demonstrate. So you're going to put your left knee on the bench first, so bend that leg. Then the other leg is going to come upward with the heel on the bench. Shoulders back and down, chest up, lean all the way on that bench and hold on to it to support yourself. Look straight, elbows slightly bent. I want your wrist nice and straight. We're not moving it around during the set. We don't do that around here. We do solid movements. So we're going to come up where the hand lines up directly with the shoulder. You're going to breathe in on the way down, blow out on the way up. Notice he's not swaying his arms around. He's not moving anything around. He's solid. Just the only thing that's moving is his shoulder. It's getting to work nice and hard. Look at where his arm is. It's directly in the center of his midsection. It's not back here. We're going to put pressure on the shoulder if it's back here or forward. Right in the center. And lead with your elbow when you're coming up. Watch this. You lead with the elbow. It goes right into the shoulder. If you lead with the hand, what's going to happen is, boom, you're going to turn out, open up your shoulder cuff. We're not going to be happy. You're going to end up with the physical therapist. We don't want that.